Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make money with ChatGPT and Clickbank. In our last video I have shown you how to create a video using ChatGPT and Steve.io without using your voice and without showing your face. And if you have not watched the video, then I highly recommend you to watch that video. So without further delay, let's get started. So our first step is to choose a niche or an industry in which you want to work, or I would highly recommend you to go with an industry in which you have a little expertise. For example, it could be make money online, stock market, relationship, spirituality, health and fitness, and so on. So you can choose any one of them and you could find relevant product on Clickbank. So that was our first step. Now what's the next step? So the next step is to choose a product, and to choose a product you have to go to Clickbank. Now as you can see, I'm on the dashboard of my Clickbank account. Actually I have not been promoting Clickbank products for a long time, as I'm promoting some other product services, and the commission that you can see something like $2.95 is actually a recurring commission that I'm getting. I have another Clickbank account and I got some sales from there as well. So here I came to teach you how to make money with Clickbank, but if I'm not able to show you whether I'm making money or I made money with Clickbank or not, then it will be kind of injustice, right? So let me show you the paychecks that I received from Clickbank. Now I will move down on the screen and I will click on the nickname. Okay, that is my name, Shubhajit. You can see, right? From there on the top, I will click on the reporting, and on this page I will click on paychecks to see how much money I made with Clickbank till now. As you can see, I was not paid any dollars for the last few months, as I was not promoting any Clickbank products. Now on the top you can see in 2022 I made $1,158, and in 2021 I made something like $2,221. So this is just to show you whether I made money with Clickbank or not. I also have another account, and from there I also get some sales. So the second step starts here. I will go back to the first tab. Now I will click on the affiliate marketplace to choose a product for my niche. Now on the left of the screen, click on all so that you can see the different categories of products, or you can say niches, and I'm sure that you can find many products in whichever niche you have chosen. You can see business and investing categories, computer and internet categories. Now you can also see health products, and if you scroll down then you will find a spiritual categories as well. Now if you hover over health and fitness, you will see the subcategories, and from these subcategories I will click on diet and weight loss. After clicking there, all the products are browsed below. Before you choose any product, see the gravity score and the commission of that particular product. The gravity score shows the performance of the particular product, so always choose a product that has a gravity score of at least 40 or higher than that, and it pays a commission of at least $100. Now from there I will choose this product, Slim Crystal, as its gravity score is 79, which is more than 40, and its average commission is more than $100. You can also find products which gives more commission than these. I have chosen this just to showcase you. Now you can check out the affiliate page if you want to learn more about the product, like commission structure, and if you need the promotional materials like images, videos, ebooks, etc. Now to grab the affiliate link of the product, click on the promote button. A pop-up will appear, and from here you will create your affiliate link. Now enter your nickname. For example, I will enter my nickname, that is Shubhajit, and then click on hop link, and the tracking code is actually optional. Okay, you don't need that. Now your affiliate link is created. Once your affiliate link is created, then you can shorten your link with any link shortener like bit.ly, or you can use a landing page to make your users land on your landing page, and you can write your own message on the landing page to convey them in your own way. Now let us move to our third step, which is go to Quora.com. So once you open the Quora, next click on the search bar of Quora and type your question related to your niche. For example, I will type your lose weight. So once you have typed your questions, now click on search, and now you can see the result. And now from the left of the screen you can see it by type. From there select questions so that it can show you only questions. Now from this list of questions, choose a question that has a good number of following as well as less answer, so that your answer can rank on the top. Now from there I will select the second questions. Okay, what are some easy tricks to lose weight? So the next step is to click on the answer to write the answer for these questions. Now here is the most important step. Copy the questions and now jump to your ChatGPT account. Now if you don't have any ChatGPT account, then you can create one, and it's very easy to create with your Google account. I have shown it in my previous video. Now paste your question on the chat bar of ChatGPT, and after you're done, now press enter. Now you can see it started generating the answer for this question. As you can see, within few minutes it's generated answer. Let's see how it goes. Here are the few tips that may help you to lose weight. Number 1, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients and fiber, and they can help keep you feeling and satisfied. Number 2, and so on. Now before you copy and paste this answer on your Quora answer box, make sure to paraphrase this generated answer, because it is generated through artificial intelligence, and Quora is so intelligent that it can detect this generated through artificial intelligence. So to avoid this kind of restriction, you need to use a paraphrasing tools like Quillbolt. Now copy the answer from ChatGPT and go to quillbolt.com. So once it opened, now you can paste it on the box that you can see right now. Click on paraphrase and wait for some seconds. Now as you can see, it replaced some phrases and words with their synonyms. Now you can safely copy this answer and paste it on the Quora answer box. Now read it carefully and check if there anything needed to be correct, right? Make sure your Grammarly extension is installed in your browser so that you can make necessary correction in your answer. Now if you want to add any image, then you can add image by clicking here. Once you added the image, now click on the post to publish your answer. Now I want to give you a warning. Don't just copy and paste this AI generated text in Quora answers, because there is a probability that your account may get shadow banned. So to avoid it, you need to paraphrase the answers, okay? And make sure that your answer is actually not published before. Don't just copy and paste your answer. Now what is the final step? So the final step is to optimize your Quora profile. Edit your profile bio and show them your expertise. Write that how you are helping your dream customers. Your dream customer could be overweight guy who wants to lose weight, or could be a guy who wants to achieve financial freedom, and it completely depending on your niche. Make sure to put your affiliate link or link to your landing page on your profile. You can also take help of ChatGPT to generate your bio so that it can be more attractive to your dream customers. Make sure to answer 3 to 4 questions daily and stay consistent. Quora will definitely boost your profile and you will build authority, and you will definitely generate traffic as well as revenue. That's all for today. If you find this video valuable, then don't forget to hit like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching.